Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Hopefully you're all having amazing creative days. Today we're going to do a quick little video on a glitch I ran into when updating this EOS R5 right here. Now a couple days ago I got a question from somebody and I apologize for giving you the wrong answer because now I know. They asked me, do I have to update previous versions of the firmware before I can update to the newest versions? And obviously the answer to that is no, or at least that's the answer that it had been before, because always you just update the newest firmware and it has all the previous firmwares in it. You don't have any problems. But this EOS R5 was running firmware 1.3.0 and I tried to update it to 1.6.0 and it just wouldn't take. It would tell me, there's no firmware on the memory card. Please put firmware on the memory card and all that kind of stuff. And it just wouldn't work even though the firmware was on the memory card. So the solution to that was to go to the Canon website. I downloaded firmware 1.5.1 and installed that on the camera. And then I went back and downloaded 1.6.0 and then installed that on the camera. And then it would take and it updated. So that's just a little glitch I ran into. So I want to share that with all of you. So if you're running an older firmware or you just picked up an EOS R and it has the old firmware and it's not updating to the newest, that might be a solution for you. Download 1.5.1 and then upgrade to 1.6.0. So there you go. You're welcome. Enjoy. And if you want to know more about this firmware, I'm running tests right now with it, but the next video I pop up onto the channel will be my overheating test with the R5. So if you want to see that, definitely subscribe to the channel. And I make videos about Canon gear, Canon lenses, photography, videography, tips, tricks, behind the scenes, and that kind of thing. So if you're into that, you know what to do. All right, peace out. Thanks for watching. I will see you guys in the next video.